Nestled in the heart of Muskoka, this charming town is a part of the cottage country in Ontario, Canada. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You probably know Muskoka is a well-known cottage country in Ontario, but do you know where the heart of Muskoka is? Let's go and find out. Now, we are going to take this historic walkway to visit Calvin Grove Park and Trans-Canada Trail. Perhaps you know this beautiful place we are visiting today is Bracebridge, Muskoka. Today we'll explore 3 beautiful spots, including Bracebridge Falls, Bracebridge Downtown, and finally Wilson's Falls. This riverboat is called Lady Muskoka. It just went to see the Bracebridge Falls, and now they are going to continue their cruise. What a beautiful day. Look at the trail marker. This is the Trans-Canada Trail. It will take us to the Bracebridge Falls. This bridge is an iconic bridge. It is called Silver Bridge. It was started in 1929 and finished in the mid-1930s. It is a part of Ontario Highway 16 over the north branch of Muskoka River. In this beautiful park, the trees are turning colors. Kids are playing. Look at the 4 colors around Bracebridge Falls. Visitors often find themselves enchanted by the blend of natural beauty and historical significance at Bracebridge Falls. Whether you are looking to explore the trails, taking in the view from a nearby lookout, or simply enjoy a moment of tranquility by the rushing water, the area offers a unique glimpse into both the power of nature and the rich history. The beauty of autumn and dramatic rocks and waterfalls provide a perfect spot for an outing in the autumn. Look at the 4 colors. This water well belongs to what was called Bracebridge Mill. The mill is very important to the town's history. Though the mill is no longer in operation, the remnants of its once mighty water well still evoke a sense of nostalgia and heritage. This structure, combined with the beautiful settings of the falls, tells the story of the region's past, when the mill played a crucial role in the community. So here we are. Welcome to Downtown Bracebridge, Muskoka's downtown. Bracebridge was incorporated in 1875. It claims to be the heart of Muskoka. The sign has changed. When I was here last year, it was still the heart of Muskoka. Pure Muskoka. This main street in downtown Bracebridge is called Manitoba Street. You will find a blend of history and modern charm. The downtown area has remained vibrant since the late 19th century, with many buildings dating back to the 1800s. The dresses are definitely cottage style. Food, coffee, preserves, candies, and maple products accepted. Oh, that's not 40% off. Here is a charming flowers shop. This building now is called the Clock Town Center. It was built in 1913. The clock was installed in 1914. It used to be a post office. It was the first Dominion government building in Muskoka region because Bracebridge was the heart or hub for leather and timber trades. This marketplace looks like a good place to get some treats. Let's see, I feel like to get a coffee. Maybe I should get an ice cream.
Hello.
Hi. So, I'm getting an ice cream. This is Wilson's Falls Road, and it is a part of the Trans-Canada Trail. So, I will be walking from here. Do you see the Muskoka River? Muskoka River is beautiful with the reflections of the trees and the colors. Take a look at the water in Muskoka River. The four colors are just amazing. The Mother Nature is really the greatest artist. The trail is so beautiful. It doesn't even matter if I go to the waterfall or not. This particular section of the Trans-Canada Trail is called the Great Trail. Do you see the trail marker?
Over yellow.
Yes. That one. That's a birch, right?
Yeah. It's pretty in the pine trees.
Yeah. This is just a part of Wilson's Falls. It does not tell you the whole story. Please watch the whole video. I will show you how beautiful this place is. This is another partial view of Wilson's Falls. It does not show much of the waterfall, but you can see The reflections of the forests are just beautiful. This trail is not only a hiker's paradise, but also a route filled with stories. Did you know that this section of the trail was once a part of ancient indigenous pathways? It's a reminder of the rich history that lies beneath our feet. Wilson's Falls, located along the picturesque Muskoka River, is a captivating natural attraction that showcases the beauty of the region. The stunning waterfalls is not only a visual delight, but also an important site for renewable energy, as it features a dam that continues to generate electricity, serving the local community. We are connecting through the Trans-Canada Trail, which stretches across the country. Here, you will find well-marked paths that lead you through a collage of forests, rivers, and open fields. This is on top of Wilson's Falls Dam. You can see the beautiful water of Muskoka River, ablaze with four colors. Wilson's Falls Dam is built on the bedrock of Canadian Shield. Surrounding the waterfalls is a mixed forest, rich with a variety of trees that provide a lush backdrop, especially vibrant in the autumn months when the foliage transforms into a brilliant tapestry of colors. I'm taking this rocky trail to get closer to the waterfalls. Compared to other times when I was here, the river does not have a lot of water, but the scenery is equally beautiful. In the late 1800s, Wilson's Falls was an important site for lumber mills, vital to the town's economy. The rushing water of the falls provided power for early industries, shaping Bracebridge into the thriving community it is today. This location along the scenic Muskoka River is a captivating natural attraction that showcases the beauty of the region. This stunning waterfall is not only a visual delight, but also an important site for renewable energy. The Trans-Canada Trail weaves through the woods near Wilson's Falls, offering a fantastic opportunity for hiking, biking, or simply enjoying a peaceful walk. Wilson's Falls stands as a perfect blend of natural beauty and utility, inviting nature lovers to experience its charm. Whether you are here to marvel at the falls, explore the trails, or appreciate the harmonious relationship between nature and sustainable energy, this destination is something you should not miss. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. If you are looking for a destination that offers both breathtaking scenery and a glimpse into Canadians' history, Bracebridge is the place to be. Until next time, happy autumn.